Yo, what's up everyone? Buzzy back here. Today, let's learn how to get an item when we talk to an NPC. So one thing to note is whatever item that you would like to get, go ahead and place that inside of server storage. So I want a cookie, so you can see on the right hand side of my Explorer window, I have cookie inside of server storage. Alright, so let's go ahead and spawn in a dummy rig, and inside of at the head of our dummy rig, let's go ahead and add a dialog object. Now for our initial prompt, essentially is what our NPC is going to ask or say when we interact with it. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and write, hey, want a snack? So that's what the NPC is going to ask when we interact with this NPC. Now, obviously we want to add choices, when we are talking to our NPC. So I'm going to go ahead and change the initial prompt to, hey, are you hungry? Inside of our dialogue, we're going to add a dialogue choice. We're going to add two choices, okay? So for our first dialogue choice object, we're going to change the user dialogue to yes, and our NPC is going to reply, here, take a cookie, in the response dialogue. What I want to do is rename this dialogue choice to yes, and then the other dialogue choice is going to be no. So for the user dialogue, if I click no, I'm going to write no, I'm okay. Then the NPC is going to respond with, okay, goodbye. Pretty simple, right? So one thing to note is just to remember to rename our dialogue choice object to yes and no, because we will be referencing this in our script. Inside of replicated storage, let's go ahead and add a remote event and then rename that to give tool, give whatever you guys want. Just remember the name of it because that's really important. Inside of starter player scripts, let's go ahead and add a local script. So we have two variables, one which references the dialogue inside of our dummy as well as the remote event in replicated storage. We're going to go ahead and create a dialogue choice selected function where if a player selects the yes dialogue choice option, then the give tool remote event is going to be fired. Okay, so let's go ahead and add a script inside of server script service with a variable which references the cookie tool inside of our server storage. We're going to have a function where anytime the remote event give tool is fired, then our cookie tool will be cloned into our player's backpack. And that's it. Okay, so let's go ahead and test out our script. Let's go ahead and interact with our little NPC. Click on the question mark. Hey, are you hungry? Yes. And then boom, I have a cookie. How cool is that? As always, full scripts and models will be posted on our website very soon. Link in the description down below. Have fun creating, you guys, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.